Winter is the time when Indian bird watchers become restless. The thrill and excitement to find new birds, or just being able to see our favorite migrant, gives us immense joy and most certainly awakens our inner child. Let me take you to a grassland of southern West Bengal and let's look for the migratory birds together.
Hey, what is up guys, welcome to the channel. So we are starting this vlog from the outskirts of Kolkata. This place is known as the Tata project land. It's a great wintering ground for the winter migrants, and primarily the habitat is a grassland habitat, and there are some agricultural land and wetlands as well. So yeah, we are here primarily for our weekend birding session and we are going to look for the winter migrants. I hope that I get a lifer here today. If not, I'm definitely going to enjoy this place. I love this habitat. This is my backyard literally. So yeah, I'm really stoked to explore Tata today and let's see what all birds we can find.
The first bird we saw has come from faraway land of Russia, and I was happy to see that this tiny little bird, known as the Siberian stone chat, has successfully managed to arrive at this grassland.
So right off the bat, we started off with a Siberian stone chat, a beautiful migrant, a very cute looking bird. So yeah, let's see what else we can spot in this particular area.
In the same area, we found yellow, citrine, and multiple white wagtails. However, only the white wagtail decided to let me film it. A very common bird known as the brown shrike was also carefully inspecting my whereabouts. After successfully filming the brown shrike, I decided to shift my location. And as I started moving towards the habitat where the migratory harriers are frequently seen, I noticed a majestic raptor known as the Eurasian hobby. Though the hobby was in flight, I decided to include this clip which I had taken earlier to show you the beauty of this raptor. I also found a brain fever bird, also known as the common hawk cuckoo, in the same spot. After my encounter with the common hawk cuckoo, I started heading towards the harrier spot again.
So this is the primary habitat for the harriers. I have already seen a pied harrier female here right now, but no sign of the male as of now. So we are looking for two primary harriers, pied and eastern marsh. And on the way to this spot, I have heard the call of Polas's grasshopper warbler, another of my target bird. They were in the hyacinth bed nearby. So we'll definitely try for that as well, but first we'll try to get the harriers done. Beautiful habitat. Now it's going to be a patience game, and let's see.
After waiting for almost an hour, finally, a majestic black and white bird appeared in front of me, and it was none other than the ghost of the grassland, the pied harrier, a migratory raptor that probably came from China or North Korea. I could only manage to take 3 distant photos of it, but that was good enough for me. After I managed to click the male pied harrier, I decided to try for another sought after migrant, the beautiful Siberian rubythroat. The rubythroats are generally found in the shrubs at the edge of the grasslands.
So we are now at a different spot, as you can see. Now the thing is, so far we have seen a lot of birds, but most of them are common, no lifer whatsoever. But yeah, I'm enjoying definitely, because the activity is very nice today, so that's a good thing. Now in this part we'll try for the rubythroat. At the back also we heard the call, but we could not see the bird. Here I'll try to get the bird, let's see. And even if we don't get the rubythroat, we'll see what else we can find here.
Though I was able to hear the call of a rubythroat in that area, it was not in the sight. All I could see was different species of munias in front of me. While I was being patient for the rubythroat to come out, I decided to film the munias. And then suddenly, a bright red dot appeared from the bushes, and it was the rubythroat indeed, another bird from Siberia. And with that, we concluded our birding session.
So I have had a great time birding here, and if you have enjoyed this vlog, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel so that I can create more content like this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.